Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to see how to delete WordPress website from Cpanel. In the last video I have showed you how to delete it from WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and when I checked with different hosting they don't have this WordPress Manager by Softaculous, so you'll have to follow the same old method. So let's begin. Alright, log into your Cpanel, and on the Cpanel just scroll down to software. Here just go to Softaculous app installer. So this is where you can install all the softwares and all the scripts on your website. Just go to installations. Here you can see we have WordPress installed on these two websites. Just select the website you want to delete, and from the options you can see you have so many options. You can clone the website, you can take the backup of this website, you can edit the details by clicking on this pencil icon here. So to delete the website, just click on this delete icon and scroll down and click on remove installation, confirm, click on OK. Now our WordPress website is removed. Now go back to installation and check, and as you can see our WordPress website is deleted. So that's how you delete a WordPress website from Cpanel if you don't have the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. You can explore my channel for more videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.